What's beautiful is that even small acts of awareness can create profound change. Imagine standing at the shore of a lake. When you toss a stone into the water, ripples spread out far beyond where the stone fell. The same happens with awareness. One small act of noticing your breath sends ripples through your nervous system, signaling safety, calm, and balance. And the more you practice this, the more those ripples become waves of peace that move through your entire life. But awareness alone is only the beginning. The next step is kindness to yourself. Stress convinces us that we're not enough, that we have to push harder, do more, achieve faster. It's a voice that says, if you stop now, you'll fall behind. And yet, the truth is the opposite. Rest is not a weakness, it's a requirement for strength. A tree doesn't apologize for shedding its leaves in the fall, it knows that rest is part of renewal. You too are allowed to rest, to pause, to honor your limits. Imagine treating yourself the way you would treat a dear friend who is overwhelmed, offering gentle words, giving space to breathe, and reminding them that they are doing their best. That same compassion belongs to you. Let me share another small journey. Min, a father of two, carried the weight of providing for his family and keeping everything in order. He believed stress was just part of being responsible. But one day, his daughter looked at him and said, "Daddy, why do you look so sad when you're home?" That single question broke through his armor. He realized that by carrying stress everywhere, he was missing the very moments that gave his life meaning. He decided to change. He began with 5 minutes of quiet each morning, simply sitting, breathing, and whispering gratitude for his family. Slowly, those 5 minutes grew into a practice of presence. Min didn't stop having challenges, but he stopped letting stress steal his joy. His daughter noticed the difference, too. She saw a father who smiled more, laughed more, and was truly there. Stories like Sarah's and Min's are not extraordinary. They're reminders that ordinary people, just like you, can transform their relationship with stress. And as you listen now, perhaps you're starting to feel a gentle shift too, that sense of possibility, that whisper of calm that says, maybe peace is closer than I thought. That's the heart of ageless lessons, timeless wisdom meeting your everyday life, guiding you to uncover what was always within. Stress often feels like an uninvited guest who overstays its welcome, but have you ever wondered why it clings so tightly to us? Why some mornings, even before you've had your first sip of tea or coffee, your body already feels heavy, like it's bracing for battle? The truth is, stress isn't just a thought in your mind. It's a full-body experience, woven into your biology, your emotions, and even your memories. And the more we understand this, the more compassion we can bring to ourselves when stress takes over. Your body is wired for survival. Thousands of years ago, when danger appeared in the form of wild animals or sudden storms, your ancestors needed to react instantly. That's when the stress response, what we now call fight, flight, or freeze, kept them alive. Their hearts raced to pump blood, their muscles tightened to prepare for movement, their breath quickened to fuel action. This response was not a mistake, it was brilliance. It saved lives. And it still works the same way today. The only difference is that instead of lions or thunderstorms, our stress triggers are emails, traffic jams, financial worries, and never-ending responsibilities. Our nervous system doesn't know the difference between a looming deadline and a real tiger, it only knows something feels threatening, and it reacts to protect us.